what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in now with a micron. Let me see if this is the size of micron I want. Yeah, this is a good size. It's not too small. It's a 0.5. So now I'm gonna go in and I'll add some ink, and then afterwards we'll go, after the ink dries, we'll go ahead and actually add the colors. So this is why I have to be very careful, because this I cannot erase. Whatever is on paper is going to be on paper. So I'm going to start with this side. I'll start with the slice. And this one I'm going to make it a lot broken because I don't want it pronounced. And this is going to go on this side. So usually when I'm drawing digitally in Procreate, after this would be the coloring page that I would send out in the book after the ink phase of it. And I don't know what I'll do with this project. This project started off because I went to Staples to print out my book, and it was not formatted correctly. So what they did is they gave me a whole bunch of cardstock. And what I do is when I color the page, the next page that is blank, this is like the coloring page. So this is tomorrow's work. But what happens is that page that is blank, I usually do an original illustration in it. If you want to check out the book, please go ahead. I pinned it in the pinned comments. It's called Turtle Shells, Colorful Shells Adult Coloring Book. It's on Amazon. And it's definitely less than $10. So it's inexpensive. And it has 40 images with 2 bonus images from my mandala project. So this is when I have to be a little bit careful, because whatever I put down on paper will not be erased. But I also am not trying to go for a realistic style, so I'm a little loose at the same time. There we go. And these are going to be just little drops of the juice after they cut the orange that dropped out. So I gotta ink these to finish the composition. The pens I use for these are the micron pens. This is a 0.5. Somebody just dropped in here. His name is Gamer Airport from India, and literally just gave me my first ever super chat.